mga kaibigan, tingnan natin kung sino ang makaka-all shot, and it's Uncle Benol, no, from Lusaran Trail Riders, followed by Rical Boris of City Bike Shop, Boris Racing, followed by Yuyo, si Yuyo ni ng third on a Suzuki bike. Yes, scheduled for 3 laps of racing. Wall leading the way, inside, makukuha kaya, inside, and no. Alright, on the third spot, it's you from Tingsep Racing.
Ang sa akin na rescue sa paner, kaya napag-isang ko si Miss Mark. Fortuner, nga plate number, kasi plate number Miss Mark.